life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Yeah, I just took a test and yeah, let me write. Look, I just took a test and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women, I'll be bad because the fuck was nice. But yeah, I must admit.
Okay, boys, got this. You guys know what it is too, but I need to know this is a surprise. Got some stickers. Ooh. I don't know where the rivets are or anything, so. Does it come with the rivets or what? Oh, that's some good quality shit right there, man. That. Oh, it's still bendy, but it's not that bendy. I might still have to use some of the old screws I got. Oh, holy shit, there's a lot of rivets here. Holy man. That's so many rivets. This one, I swear. Look at that. Look at that, man. Imagine this goes like this. Somehow it like goes like this, I guess. Maybe. Oh, it goes like this, I think. It goes like that. Nuts. This is so sick. This is actually like so nice. Like this is sick, man. I hope this looks really, this is gonna look sick on the sled, dude. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to drill a lot of holes and put a lot of rivets in. Oh, we'll go do that. Bye. See you in a bit. Okay, so first the bumper's gonna rub on these reflector things, so you gotta take those off. So I'm gonna take those off.
Down around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up.
Okay, so now I took those off. There's still some sticky stuff, but it'll cover. The other bumper will cover it, so I'm gonna drill some holes and put it on. Okay, so I gotta take this off and then I'll put it back on after because it doesn't fit with this. So gotta take this off. You guys probably don't have one of those, so you don't have to worry about this step, but I'm gonna just take this off and then put the other one.
Son, got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I laid awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Yeah, I just took a test and yeah, let me write. Look, I just took a test and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women, I'll be bad because the fuck was nice. But yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, this in New England, but I'm dying high. Now I'm an addict for the music when I can't stop. Ain't gon' let me anywhere to ask me. Ask a favor with a shout out to gas me. Really, they ain't take a risk, but want the alcohol. I've been signing on the city lights.
So that's what it looks like. It's freaking sexy, man. Like, oh, that looks so good, dude. That looks so nice. This side's a little bit higher, but Oh well. So yeah, I'm gonna put the jerry can back on. I'm gonna have to drill through right here somewhere, maybe. Or right here, maybe. Oh, maybe I won't even have to drill, man. Maybe just a little bit, but we're gonna put that back on. And then you put all the rivets in. It's pretty easy. It's not hard, but this side's a little messed up, so it doesn't line up quite right, but it's still on there, so it's still it's freaking strong, man. Like that's not even all the rivets in there. And like you ain't, I don't think I'm gonna break that, but anyways. I'm gonna put the jerry can back on, rest of the rivets, I'll pull it out and get a little edit of the bumper or whatever. Maybe go ripping a bit. I have to tighten the track. So yeah, we'll do all this stuff and then we'll see you when it's all... Alrighty boys, so we got the bumper installed. It looks freaking wicked, man. Wow. That looks so good. I'm really impressed with how that looks. Way better than the Polaris one for sure. I'd definitely recommend it. So tomorrow I might be doing a little sled trip there. We're supposed to get dumped, so might head up north a bit and then go test the snow. So that's it for this video. That's how to install a Backwoods bumper on the Matryx Slash. It's pretty easy. I'd give it like a difficulty on 3 or 4 for sure for difficulty, and it looks so good, man. Like, it looks awesome. I love it. Matches the front one too. Perfect color match. It's freaking sick, man. I definitely recommend them. Go check them out. It's just Backwoods bumpers. So yeah, we're gonna go up north tomorrow, maybe a bit. They just got dumped. We're supposed to get dumped tomorrow too. It's like +3 right now, but we're supposed to get dumped with snow, so yeah, hopefully sledding's not over. I love this thing, man. I tightened the track too. I'll go test it out, put the GoPro on and go test it out and make sure it's nice and tight for tomorrow. Guys, in the next video, thanks for watching.